Welcome viewers, this is Raj Maths channel. Broad revision of basic maths concepts is being continued. In this video, serial 17 has been uploaded. This is linear equations part 2. Part 1 we had uploaded earlier. The concept of linear equations can be used in solving many types of sums. This is very convenient also. Some examples are given below. Please go through the first sum. Sum of three numbers is 100. If two of them are 27 and 59, find the third. What we do is that we say let the third number be x. Then as per the problem, the two numbers which are known are 27 and 59 and the third number is assumed to be x. So sum of these three should give 100. As we do in linear equations, we have simplified it, taken 86 to the other side, and we have got x is equal to 14. So we say third number is 14. In the second example, two angles of a triangle are 50 degree and 60 degree. Find the third angle. So we do let the third angle be x. We know sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we write two angles are 50 degree and 60 degree which are known. So 50 plus 60 and this is a third angle x. Sum of these should give 180. So this is the equation which we have formed. Simplifying this, we get x is equal to 70 degree. So the third angle is 70 degree. This is the third example. If 7 is added to twice a number, we get 23. Find the number. We say let the number be x. Then as given in the by the problem, twice the number x, that is 2 into x, which is 2x, plus 7. 7 has been added to twice the number and we get 23. We write equal sign in between. By transposing, we solve it as we have seen earlier. So the value of x is 8. So the required number we say is 8. In this fourth example, 1/4 of a number is 5 more than 8. Find the number. We say let the number be x. 1/4 of the number. Let the number be m. Here we are assuming m as a number in place of x. Whatever variable we can choose. So 1/4 of m is equal to 8 plus 5. The sum was 1/4 of a number is 5 more than 8. So 1/4 of the number 5 more than 8. And then we simplify it and we get m equals 52. So required number is 52. In the fifth example, Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Then what is Lakshmi's age? As usual we assume let Lakshmi's age be 4x years. Then by the problem, 3 times Lakshmi's age, 3 into x, 3x. and then we add 4 to it to get her father's age, which is 49. And thereafter we simplify it and get the value of x as 15. So Lakshmi's age is 15 years. Now you can see here 3 times 15 is 45 and 45 plus 4 is 49, which is Lakshmi's father's age. So you can check back the answer in this way. Now we have seen about 5 examples. You would later find out that algebraic equations, that is linear equations, can be very useful and convenient in solving problems of ratio, proportions, percentage, profit and loss, and so on and so forth. This way it becomes easier to solve the problems. Just assume whatever you want to find out, assume it to be x, and then thereafter you form an equation and get the answer. This is all about linear equations so far. Keep watching the channel and do subscribe and give suggestions so that future videos would be better for you. Thank you very much.